Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to invoke or call auto-launched flow from Apex. If an admin developed a very good flow, as a developer, we can reuse the flow instead of writing the same logic in our Apex. This will avoid duplicating the efforts since the flow process will be developed using Apex. So simply we can call the auto launched flow from our Apex and then we can reuse the flow. For this demo, I have created a simple flow. I have account ID, which is input variable. So when I call the flow from my Apex, I will pass the account ID. Next, I have account name, which is an output variable. So when the Apex code completes executing the flow, next I will try to find out what value the flow returned as part of this account name variable. So once the flow starts, I am using get records element and then I am fetching the account based on the account ID which is passed. Next, I am using assignment element and then I am assigning account name, which is an output variable, equals to the account record which is fetched from the previous get records element, and I am getting the account name from it. So account ID will be passed and the account name will be returned to the Apex. So in order to call the flow from the Apex, first we have to declare flow parameters. So I'm using map.string comma object. So once I have a map of string comma object, I can put the account ID, which is my input variable in my flow, and I'm passing an account ID. So this is the account ID which I'm going to pass so that it will return the name of the account. Next, I'm using flow class, its inner class interview, and then I'm getting, this is my flows API name. So this is the flow API name. So it is passed here and then I'm initiating it. Next, I'm using the start method to start the flow. So here the flow will be started and then it will get completed and then the next line of code will be executed. So here I'm getting the account name from the flow get variable value. So from the flow I have a output variable called account name, and then I have a simple system.debug statement to print the account name. So let's execute this. So I'm going to pass the account ID in the flow parameter. I'm going to initiate the flow using the flow parameters, and I'm going to get the account name once the flow is started and completed, and then I'm going to print the account name. So the account name is printed. So using flow dot interview dot API name of the flow, and then using the start method, we can easily launch the flow. We can pass the parameters to the flow, and also we can return the flow's return variables. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.